Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and after that here in the search we'll enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap to activate. Now just go back, click switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard here. And now as can you see, the process is finished. And now we can just go somewhere, for example here in the app search, and now we can see the new look of our device keyboard, and you can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as the all of the emojis here. So as can you see, that's really simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.